Alright, it's time to clean my K&N air filter. As we can see, it's past due and I'll be getting on the road soon. So what I suggest is, if you're going to go with a K&N filter just to drop in like me, keep your regular filter so that when you are cleaning the old one, you can put this one in there just in case this one doesn't dry in time, and then, so you can continue to use your car and not be waiting on this. All right. So, yeah. Okay, so now we thoroughly have to spray this down with the cleaner. Like so. Just go ahead, flip it over. Okay, now we're gonna thoroughly rinse this off. Get this going. Don't want to put too much pressure on it. We're just trying to make sure it's thoroughly rinsed. Now we flip it over. Let's get this side. Too much pressure. We're washing it away now. Let's put this back over here. Step back a little bit. Alright. Well, I'm just trying to make sure we get as much off as we can. Got those black spots off. Let's flip it over again. Make sure we're thorough. And I think I put a little bit more cleaner on it. One moment. Okay, let's just rinse it a little bit more. Sorry for holding it crooked. One-man crew here. All right. Now that we can see that we have thoroughly cleaned and rinsed all that off, we gotta let this sucker dry. So we're gonna stop it here and let this sucker dry, and we'll come back and finish the video and show you how to apply the protectant on it. Okay, now it's time to hit it up. We're not gonna do too much on this side. It's going to be on the back side because that's where the air comes in, but we want everything coated like when you purchase it. So this is your oil. We're just going to hit it up real good, get a little coat on it, and then we'll go to the other side. Let's get a little test, little hit. All right. Now, I'm not the best painter or anything, but we're just going to get a good little bit on there. You see that it's not too heavy, but we're gonna get it. And the reason why we're just doing light on this side is because when we get the other side, we're gonna put a good coat on it. Now we're gonna take a little bit of this off. Here, here, here. Let's get some of that off, that excess. Okay, let's get that. This is the side that we want here. So, let's see. Okay, and that's it. And let's get this other napkin. Get this off. Get any excess off. And let that get in there. Get these sides done. Okay. And we're gonna let it sit and dry all the way before we use it. And I'll probably get up a little bit more excess off of there, but as we can see, we'll be good to go. And I'm not going to go through the installation, how to put it back. You know how to take it out, you know how to put it back. And that's a wrap, y'all. Let it dry for about 20 minutes, 30, 40 just to be good, and you reuse it. Can in. And get your filter, get your kit for a Dodge Charger 2006 through 2010. Be about $55, and the cleaning kit about $14, $15. All right, y'all.